All right, here I have a 26 Atlas, and I'm gonna show how to reset your oil service interval. And then so what you're gonna do is you're gonna use this side button here. So you're gonna press that, and then you're gonna go down to travel time distance. Press the side button, and then once you're here, you're gonna press this side button. Press and hold it for 10 seconds. And then once 10 seconds is done, let go. And then there's your service menu, and then there's your reset oil change service. All right. So you're gonna press OK on that, reset oil change service. It'll ask reset oil change, and then you press OK again. Now, if you don't have that setting, which is travel/distance, you're gonna press the side button, go to settings, and then go down here and activate it. Distance/time. So make sure that's activated, and then you could do the whole reset. And then once that's reset, you can come over here to your radio, click on vehicle status, and then click on service, and then it'll show you when the next time your oil change service is due. And then here I took some pictures of the owner's manual on how to reset it too, if that helps. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I can try to help you out.